Alright, if you ever want a cheap way to make a tuna casserole, you make your macaroni and cheese like you would normally in the stove. Then the other ingredients is a big can of tuna, which is what, 12 ounces? Yeah, 12 ounces. Strained, I still gotta strain that. And 2 cans of cream of mushroom. Okay. Then dump that. Preheat your oven to 350. Alright. You're gonna mix the tuna in real good with the macaroni. Make sure it's all in there mixed in real good. You don't want them big clumps. You want it spread out pretty good. Okay, and I think this is only going to take 1 can of this cream of mushroom soup. Yeah, you don't need 2. You only need 2 in a real big, you know, real big meal if you're going to plan to feed a whole lot of people. But 1 can should be good. And if you have a can of peas or mixed vegetables, whatever you want to add, you can add that. Alright, so mix the can of peas in with this. Mix it in real good so you don't have just a mouthful of peas. Or you could have mixed vegetables. You could have carrots. You could have whatever you want in here. I just grabbed the first thing I saw. And then people like chips, like your Better Made chips or whatever, just as a crunchy kind of coating, topping. But since he only has party sizes Tostitos open, I'll do that. There you go. That's your topping for your tuna salad. I mean, tuna casserole. Yeah. Then you put the lid on. Voila. Tuna casserole. Put it in the oven for like an hour, maybe not even that, because you're only warming this stuff up because the macaroni is already cooked. So, you know, doesn't take that long for cream of mushroom soup and peas to get done, and tuna. So, yeah. Alright, there you go. If you ever need a meal like that, there you go. Cheap and easy. So yeah, this recipe probably only takes 25 minutes to an hour in the oven, depending on how you like it, how crispy you want it. But you don't want it burnt. Like I said, it's just a cheap and easy way to do it. Way to cook a meal. You could do it on the stove, or you can do it in the oven. So, yeah, so I hope you like these kind of ideas. It helps, you know, everybody, regardless if you're in sticks and bricks or van life. It's just a cheap and easy recipe that my mom and all of them always used. So, alright. Well, you guys have a good day. And if you have any recipes that you want me to try out and show everybody, send them my way. Alright, you can do that through Facebook and Instagram. Alright, or you can email me, tinalink01@yahoo.com. Alright, thanks, bye.